Good evening to one and all, and how are you all? Today we will discuss about the nerve cell. Actually, nerve cell is an structural and functional unit of nervous system. In our body, nearly 10 billions of nerves will be there. So let us see what are the parts presenting in the nerve cell. So as I drawn the diagram here, the nerve cell is consisting of nucleus, dendrites, myelin sheath, node of Ranvier, axon, axon terminals, synaptic knob, and also inside the nucleus there is a presence of DNA. Along with this cell body, the cell body also called soma. So these are all the parts of the nervous system. So let us see a best example. So in your class or any place, somebody is pinching on your skin. So you will get the pain. How you know the pain? Based upon there is a passing of information from affected part to the brain. The brain is recognizing somebody is pinching you. Otherwise, another example, while you are playing in the ground, a small spine or a small stone presenting below the feet. Now we start get the pain. This pain information will reach to the brain, and the brain is recognizing that we have to take your leg from that place, feet from the place. So this is the information passing from affected area to the brain through the presence of nerve cell. So nearly 10 billions of nerves are there in our human body which will pass the information. So let us see. Our nerve cell is consisting of cell body, also called soma. The cell body will give protection to the internal organs like nucleus and also nasal granules. Inside the nucleus, there is a presence of DNA. The abbreviation of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. They contains the genetic material. And also the nucleus is also called brain of the cell. It will control the full nerve cell. Let us see, these are extended to this finger-like projections called dendrites. Finger-like projections called dendrites. So these dendrites are connected to the next neuron or next nerve cell, which will pass the information from affected part to the brain. And the next one, see, the elongated tube-like structure is called axons. See, these axons are covered by, there is a presence of myelin sheath. These myelin sheath are formed by presence of fat material. All the neurons will not contain the myelin sheath. They are called non-myelinated sheath neurons. These are myelinated sheath neurons. Why? Because the presence of myelin sheath above the axons. And the space between the two axons we are called it as node of Ranvier. So here the small node is present. That node we are called as node of Ranvier. These axons are ending with axon terminals, and these are having, there is a knob that is called synaptic knob. Let us see, I will draw a small nerve cell. So having all parts like this only. See, dendrites is there. So these dendrites will connected to the another dendrites of another neuron. See, these are dendrites is connected to the see the connection of the two neurons along with the dendrites. Not only dendrites, these synaptic knob also connected to the dendrites. These connection we are called it as synapse. So based on the synapse, they will pass the chemical and the electrical impulse from affected area to the brain. So in these, the CNS play a major role for recognizing this effect. And also nerve cells are of two types. There is an motor nerves and also sensory nerves. So sensory nerves is nothing but they will pass the information from affected part to the brain. And the motor nerves, they will recognize the problem, what happened to our skin. They will pass the information from brain to the affected part, that is motor nerves. So this is about the nerve cells. So next video you will see the about the nervous system, what are the parts will be there, and how it will work in our human body. We will discuss. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and comment my channel. And thank you to all. Have a nice day and bye bye.